Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll tackle an interesting problem that many developers might encounter. So the issue at hand revolves around a particular optimization problem detected in GCC 11.1 when using the OS flag. This optimization led to a function being replaced with null pointer access trap code, causing unexpected behavior in the program. Quite a puzzling problem indeed. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. The main culprit here is strict aliasing rules being violated due to typecasting double pointers from uint32_t ** to uint8_t **. Essentially, this violation leads to the compiler making assumptions about the pointer, resulting in the initialize_ this variable being incorrectly identified as null. By adjusting the code to adhere to the strict aliasing rules and ensuring proper alignment of variables, we can avoid such optimization mishaps in the future. The key takeaway here is to always pay close attention to data types and pointers to prevent such unexpected behavior. In summary, the optimization issue in GCC 11.1 was caused by violating strict aliasing rules and improper typecasting of pointers, leading to the initialize_ this variable being incorrectly identified as null. By aligning variables properly and following strict aliasing rules, we can avoid similar optimization pitfalls in our code. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding.